My dear brothers and their lovely sisters, so it's a new day, a new video. So, actually, I thought of creating a new show on my channel called Technology Information by Raghav or Info by Raghav. In this show, I will be telling you about all the new gadgets, gizmos, the new technology which is available in the market, about all those new Android features and all those things. Okay, so I think we should begin our show. The upcoming made by Google Android dongle gets leaked. Samsung smartphone dropped from the bestseller list. Official Lineage OS support arrives for Pixel 2, 3a and 4 series and many more guys. So let's move to our number 1 spot. The Pixel 4a, 5G and Pixel 5 won't be the only thing at the year's Made by Google event, with leaks pointing towards the new Android TV dongle codenamed Sabrina. This week, the Sabrina dongle had two potential price leaks, with one retailer listing it for $49, another listing it for $59. Beyond the price of Sabrina, we can also see that Google is planning to release three different colors of its Android TV dongle: rock candy and combo blue, implying that chalk and sky colors from a Westman could make way over to the product. Summer melon, on the other hand, implies some shade of pink that we have actually seen in some previously leaked marketing materials. So, moving on to our second report, market research company Omdia resulted a report this week comparing the best selling smartphone of the first half of 2019 and first half of 2020. Most notably, Samsung, which held four places on 2019's top 10 list, had fallen to just one bestseller for the Galaxy A51. And guys, if you have not seen the video, then I am going to paste the link in the description. You can go and watch that list. For Samsung, these results have got to hurt. While the company's flagship Android smartphones are absolutely floundering amid the pandemic, Apple's high-end iPhone 11 Pro models are doing great, and the super affordable iPhone SE just even better. Moving on to my third report. Thanks to the work of some of Lineage OS's contribution developers, the Pixel 2, Pixel 3a, and Pixel 4 series phones are all now supported by popular ROM. There's a temporary convert for the Pixel 2, though, as only Android Pie based Lineage OS 16 is available, not the newer version 17.1 based on Android 10. Lineage OS is currently one of the best ways to extend your device's life well beyond that manufacturing originally intended. For example, the Google Nexus 6 from 2014, which only received official updates out to Android Nougat, can be upgraded to Android 10 through Lineage OS 17.1. That's really awesome and cool. Moving on to my fourth report, specs for the OnePlus 8T arrived on the scene this week, revealing what we would expect: Snapdragon 865 Plus, 8 GB of RAM, and 128 GB of storage. That's very small. The biggest updates mentioned so far are that the OnePlus 8T will have a 120Hz display and ship with Android 11. On the flip side, the cameras on OnePlus 8T will see an upgrade as well. In terms of number, there is the same 48 megapixel, 16 megapixel, 5 megapixel and 2 megapixel array for standard, ultra wide, macro and portrait respectively. This time around, however, OnePlus is upgrading the 48 megapixel primary sensor. That's certainly appreciated, as the regular OnePlus 8 didn't have nearly as good of a camera as the Pro version. Moving on to my fifth and last report. Finally, Qualcomm dropped a few announcements this week, including the reveal of new Snapdragon 732G chip, closely related to the 730G, found in Pixel 4a. The Snapdragon 732G includes some minor performance boost and will be featured in an upcoming Poco phone. So if you are a gamer, you should wait for 732G, guys. Other features are unchanged, including the 4th gen Qualcomm AI engine and the X15 LTE modem. Quad HD plus displays are supported, while 4K HDR with portrait mode is possible. Here's also Bluetooth 5 and the chip is Wi-Fi 6 ready. I hope you like this new show Tech Info with Raghav, and I will try to post new technology news every month so that you can also get updated with what's happening around you, what is the change in technology happening every month. So I hope you like this video. Then please subscribe my channel, like, share, comment. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay connected.